Did you ever wonder how to get that arching, expressive shape in the opening of the Chopin G minor Ballade? Hi, I'm Alan Fraser, and this is Piano Somatics, where you learn to move better in order to play better. And Piano Somatics has the answer to that question. We want to phrase at the piano, but we also want a rich sound, and therefore we may fall into the key. But the more we fall into the key to make that rich sound, the less phrased it is. Many people say, don't play a real forte for that opening, play a mezzo forte or a conservative forte, and then we just pull back. Now we're afraid to play with the full grandeur of that opening because we don't want to bang, but then we're just stifled. So Piano Somatics has the key to this. Stand up. As in so many cases, when I do a quick stand-up motion, there's no sense of banging. There's a complete evocation of the resonance of the piano, the voice of the piano. When I'm standing up, it's very easy for me to do a little bit more the left hand, a little bit more the right hand. It's an orchestra. And then I walk, I stand up and walk. And then that turnaround. A glide, a shape, an expressive turn, an unexpected darkening of the emotion. All of these are possible when you stand and walk and shape and live the music, and you don't fight with the piano. Next, we have a chorale. And again, the standing action allows you to color the four voices, the three harmony voices. Did you see how I did that? If I fell in, it's warm and homogeneous, but it's not individuated. Now I've got three voices, this one, this one, this one, because each of those voices was created by a judicious, individuated stand-up action. Now I can bring in the solo voice as a total other entity. While I'm standing, sliding, gliding, moving, evoking a join of one note to the next through the phrase, I can get to the deeper expressive nature of this music. Chopin writes a tie, a tie, a tie, and a tie. He writes it so that at this point in the music, there are four notes held down. He notates it quite specifically. Again, if I dig in, I'm trying to make it expressive, but the expressivity is on each note. If I hold and stand, hold and stand, hold and stand, hold and stand, did you see how I moved through? The standing action allows me to orchestrate, to phrase, to express a rhythmic contour which brings pathos and a speaking quality to this melody. Later on, the standing action creates orchestration because, as in Tai Chi, one leg is the yang leg, the other leg is the yin leg. The yin legs just drop in from a dangling platform. The platform is standing on the other finger, the yang finger. So I've got total control over my voicing with no stress, no sense of fighting with the piano, no sense of fighting with myself. So the the standing action has a profound positive effect on orchestration, as well as on basic sound, as well as on basic phrasing, as well as on basic rhythmic pulse. These are just a few of the insights that piano somatics can bring to some of the great works of the repertoire. We'll look at more of this in later clips.